If you've just joined us, thanks for your company on Newsday. I'm Andrea Crothers.
We actually have a gift for you.
Oh, no way.
A little koala jumpsuit.
Oh. You know, I have so many koala things.
Australian news. Vegemite, it's like Marmite. Lady Spencer's, have you chatted to Harry lately?
If Vladimir Putin attends the G20 summit in person, how will you treat him?
With the contempt that he deserves.
So are you polite, do you snub, or do you confront him?
Well, it certainly won't be polite.
Pete, it certainly is a very sad day, certainly a very big day here in Melbourne as Australia says goodbye and celebrates the life and career of one of the country's biggest names, Bert Newton. This is George Pell, Australia's most senior Catholic, once the third most powerful man in the world, and today a man who woke up as a convicted sex offender, but now his name has been cleared by Australia's highest legal avenue, the High Court. You made a point of confronting those anti-gun control rallies. Why was that so important to you?
I saw that as part and parcel of my responsibility as a Prime Minister.
Go you crying next, won't I?
In these worst of times, you see the best of Australians. People who will literally give the shirt off their own back if it means helping somebody in need.
You keep saying that what Australians know. Is part of your problem that you keep telling them what they should know rather than listening to them?
And I know Australians know that I can be a bit of a bulldozer.
This is one of the 4 big moments of the campaign.
Is there anything that you specifically think Anthony Albanese would do better?
All Anthony would have to do is none of the things that Scott's done.
Good morning, Senators. Who are you voting for today?
You look gorgeous. I love that colour. You would never expect us to say that.
Trying to be Joyce, little proud Chester.
Still looking fabulous.
Say would be.
Well, it's not much point having my say inside the expenditure review committee if I'm going to have it on national television.
Why not?
Because it's naughty.
Finally, if you invite the travelling media pack along to watch you bowl, you can hardly complain if they occasionally put you off your game. We'll leave you with that. Thanks for watching.
Scott Morrison bowling his way through Bass for the 4th time this election year.
Loud, I'm sorry. You can use that, Sarah.
Pretty good. Puns aplenty at Beauty Point.
Pretty good.
I'm sorry.
That's all right. That's all right.
I reckon he's been for around the
Okay, I'm ready to go. You go. You go.
Okay. Scott Morrison bowling.
You're making us all feel very excited.